How to remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily remove your WhatsApp number from your Facebook page. Whether you're updating your business details or just want to remove your number, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app or go to the www.facebook.com and make sure you're logged into your account that manages the Facebook page. Now, simply go to the three horizontal bars and simply open your Facebook page. You can do this by clicking on the downward arrow and simply choosing your page on which you want to edit. Once you're on the page, simply click on your profile. And here you can see the three dots, simply tap on it. From there, click on Edit Action button. Here, as you can see, your WhatsApp business number has been connected. Click on Delete Action button. You may be prompted to confirm this action. Simply confirm it. And that's it. That's how you can simply remove your WhatsApp number from your Facebook page.